Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at this. It comes to us from Hydro Bear, and it is 2.2 liters. This is a great water bottle. It is reinforced design with a sports cap, dust and leak proof cap. It's BPA free, wide mouth opening, measure intake, and dishwasher safe, and comes in two colors. I've been using the pink one. That's my Grandpa Mac's favorite color. It does come with a really cool straw. Environmentally friendly, environmentally conscious. It's a great way to use it, absolutely fantastic. You can clip on the top there, or check this out, a very nice top. You can screw on the wide mouth top as well. And like I said, it does come with the cool straw. All sorts of things, so let's check it out. Now this is great for camping, great for trips, great for keeping you cold, a tremendous amount of water. Look how big this thing is. The handle, easy to carry, BPA free, and like I said, it's absolutely amazing. So when it comes to the size, tons of space for mixing up whatever nutrient supplements, if you've got a protein shake or anything like that, you wanna mix that in, and you can really use it as a shaker. It's not advertised as such, but think about that. You wanna put your amino acids in there like I do, shake it up, and you've got a great drink. You can put in your lemonade, anything like that. You can keep ice in it. You can put a ton of ice in this because of the easy fill top, but also it's not going to leak out, which is a nice aspect, and easy to just drink straight from it. You can take off the big top, or you can drink it through the straw, which comes with this cool tip as well. So what's the real best-selling factor to me? Obviously the quality, the style, the BPA free, everything about it, but also the price. These things are low priced, and you're gonna absolutely love them. Pick out the color that suits you best. We're talking about a 2.2 liter baby pink Hydro Bear, and it's BPA free with 100% satisfaction guarantee. Check them out on social media. And this is an absolutely amazing product at an amazing price. You're gonna wanna go down, click the link, and purchase one for yourself because it's fantastic. Also comes with this for easy clip-on to a D-ring, anything like that. You can put it on your belt, carry it on a backpack. Really a great deal. And one other thing you can do, take the empty bottle with you to the airport. Then when you get to the airport, fill it up with water. You've got water in your trip and you're not spending $8-10 on a couple of bottles of water. You have water for your entire flight, your entire travel. Absolutely amazing. You can save money just by having this available for you. So again, the pink and the blue, pick your favorite. Leave a comment below. Really awesome. Again, Hydro Bear, and really absolutely amazing. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it a lot. I like it a lot, folks. Pick one up today. There's a link in the description below, and you absolutely will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.